What the world needs right now is medicine. And this medicine is not something that we'll find in a pill. This isn't the kind of medicine that you can buy in a store. This isn't the kind of medicine you can be prescribed. What the world needs right now is more connection, more feet in the dirt, and hands to the sky. What the world needs right now is more song, more dance, more crying, more shouting, more laughter. What the world needs right now is community, holding hands, feeling free, feeling reverence for the land, feeling reverence for ourselves. What the world needs right now begins with you.